Hello everybody, I am Yogeshwar Prabhu, a first year computer science and business system engineering student at Srinivas Institute of Technology. So my topic is regarding the eco smart homes in this innovation and design thinking workshop. So let's move on to the introduction. The world is becoming increasingly concerned about the environmental sustainability and reducing the carbon footprints. So eco smart homes combines the latest advancement in technology with eco-friendly practices, create a sustainable and energy efficient living environment. So these homes are designed to minimize the waste, conserve resources, and enhance the overall well-being of their inhabitants. So let us understand some key features. First one is the energy generation and storage. So eco-smart homes will be equipped with solar panels, wind turbines, and other renewable energy sources to generate electricity. Any excess energy produced will be stored in efficient, high-capacity batteries for use during the peak consumption times or during the periods when the primary energy sources are not available. Next is the smart grid integration. So these homes will be connected to a smart grid that optimizes energy usage, allowing the homeowners to sell the excess energy back to the grid when not in use and buy energy during the off-peak hours. So next is the automated energy management. The sensors and AI-driven algorithms will monitor the energy usage patterns and make adjustment to lighting, heating, cooling, and appliances to minimize the wastage and optimize efficiency. Water conservation. So in this feature, the EcoSmart homes will implement rainwater harvesting systems, grey water recycling, and smart irrigation to reduce the water consumption, and thus the smart sensors will detect the leaks and wasteful water usage. Next is the materials and constructions. Sustainable building materials such as recycled steel, bamboo, and reclaimed wood will be used for the construction. And energy efficient insulation and smart windows will enhance the thermal performance. So this is the prototype of an EcoSmart home. In the figure 1, you can see the model of an isolated smart house. This is powered by the solar panel and it includes all the features mentioned above. Next, moving on to the figure 2, this is the illustration of a smart home. So, a smart home includes many features such as air quality sensor, smart temperature sensor, surveillance devices, and even a home router that is connected to the internet as well as the web services. So, moving on to the last part, let's understand what is the goal and purpose of this EcoSmart home. So the ultimate goal and purpose of an eco-smart home is to create sustainable, self-sufficient and environmentally friendly living spaces that contribute positively to the planet while even providing a high quality lifestyle for their occupants. So that's all for this presentation. Thank you, Ananda.